Alright guys, May here with another quick video. Today I wanted to show you the BASK Lather Aloe and Honey Deep Conditioner. I was sent this item to test it out and share my experience about it. So let's get it opened up and I'll show you what it looks like. This bottle is 8 ounces in size, giving us a good amount to get started with. It is infused with ingredients like aloe vera, honey, as well as natural oils that offer a deep and rich conditioning to penetrate the strands and help with hydration, softness, smoothness, and resilience. The muru seed butter and shea butter also helps with split ends as well as brittleness to give a healthier feel. Plus, it is formulated to enhance the hair's shine and is a great option for different types of hair, including coils, waves, as well as curls. If you are in the market for a high quality deep conditioner, this is definitely worth looking into.